Hey, Kyle here at Maple Systems. Today, we'll be taking a look at the 10-inch high-performance Wi-Fi capable HMI, the cMT3108XP. Let's take a look. Okay, this is what it'll look like when you first open the box. You'll see the warranty as well as the installation guide. Put those aside for now. Then here is the 3108XP. It's wrapped in anti-static plastic. Put that aside for now. Also comes with a few accessories right here. Are 7 panel mounting clips and screws. Also comes with a USB stick clamp along with a tying strap. Now let's remove the HMI from the anti-static plastic. Okay, here is the cMT3108XP. It is a 10-inch capacitive touchscreen, 1280 by 800 resolution. It's also Wi-Fi capable with the addition of the optional Wi-Fi expansion module, and I will show you how that attaches. We'll take a look at the back of the HMI. Okay, now we're looking at the back of the HMI, and you'll notice there are 4 screw holes here. These are 4 VESA 75 by 75 millimeter screw holes. Also right here, this is the battery compartment. And you'll notice right here, this is the Wi-Fi expansion module connector. And so right here is that optional Wi-Fi module that you can purchase. Now the way it attaches is that you'll take the actual module right here and you'll want to screw in the antenna part into the module, and you'll take the module and you'll just attach it like this. And now you have your Wi-Fi module attached to your HMI. The cMT3108XP also comes with a built-in mono speaker. Okay, let's take a look at the bottom of the HMI. Right here is where you would insert your green power connector, which comes with the HMI. This is for 24 volt DC power supply. And you have 2 DE9 serial COM ports. These are used for various serial protocols. Next to that is a USB 2.0 host port. This can be used for uploading or downloading your project, as well for extended memory and backing up your files. Then there are 2 RJ45 Ethernet LAN ports, which are used for uploading, downloading, and also going online with your HMI. They are also used for various Ethernet protocols. Okay, now I'm going to power on the HMI. So I have a power supply going into the HMI, and I also have an Ethernet cable that is going into LAN 2 because later on I'm going to download a project from EBPro onto the HMI. I also kept the Wi-Fi module connected to the HMI because I want to show you what it looks like in the system settings later on when you can enable Wi-Fi. So I'm going to turn on the power supply. And the first thing you'll see is the CMT series logo, and then the demo project will load onto the HMI. Okay, now we're going to take a look at the demo project on the HMI. So in the bottom right corner is a camera feed of the actual HMI. And the larger screen is VNC viewer. So I enabled VNC on the HMI in the system settings. So let's take a look at some of the features in the demo project. So I'm going to use my mouse and I'm going to click switches and lamps. And here you can just turn bits on and off. You can toggle on and off as well here. You can jog up and down your multi-state switch, and you can change the state of the word lamp. Let's go home. Take a look at the trend display. So here's a simulated trend display. Go to recipe database. Click the arrow over. Here are examples of some recipes in the demo project. Let's go back home. Take a look at the alarms, and then here are some simulated alarms. So now I want to go into the system settings, and to do that, you can either click with your mouse in the top left corner, or you can go over to your HMI and use your capacitive touchscreen and click that circle in the top left corner. And then you can click the lock icon here. And then the system password is 61. So in order to view all your system settings, you'll need to enter your system password, drop down, press OK. So now you can view all of your system settings. And I'm going to use my mouse now in VNC viewer. So here's your information for your HMI name. You can view your IP addresses here. Also Wi-Fi, because I have the Wi-Fi module inserted into the HMI. Now, if you did not have the optional Wi-Fi connected to your HMI, you will not see this option here. You need to have it connected, and also you have the tab here to enable your Wi-Fi connection, and then you can choose the several Wi-Fis here that I can connect to. You'll have your own, of course. And if you go back, you can also connect a Wi-Fi hotspot as well. Code Assist, you need a separate license for. General tab, you can adjust the brightness on the HMI. You can see that in the bottom right corner, and I'll brighten it back up. And also you can change your mouse cursor and start button, of course. IP network, you can edit your IP address. Wi-Fi just went over, time and date. HMI name, clear history, project management. System password, you can change it from 61 to something of your choosing. Enhanced security, VNC, you can enable VNC on your HMI. Easy Access 2.0, you'll need a separate license for. Language, input method, printer, OS upgrade, and reset options. You can reset your HMI to default settings. So those are all your settings within your system settings in your HMI. So now I want to download a project from EBPro onto the HMI. So let's go into EBPro. Now I'm in EBPro, and I just want to show you some of the driver protocols that are in EBPro. There are 400 plus drivers you can choose from. So let's go to the Home tab, System Parameters. Then you'll click New Device/Server. And then right here, Device Type, you can click this arrow here, and there are hundreds of protocols in this list. You can also just click here, and then you can open it this way in Device Properties. You drop down, and you can scroll and choose protocols here. So now let's download this project to the HMI. In order to do that, go to Project, go to Download. And you want to make sure you have the correct IP address right here. Check off runtime if you're downloading for the first time, and then click Download. And it's going to take some time to connect to the HMI and download the project. It'll say Stop Project. And I'll exit out of System Settings so we can see the process. You'll see the cMT series logo, download CXOB file, extracting. It's going to say Update Project Now on the HMI. It's going to say Reboot HMI, and it's going to wait for project ready on the HMI itself. It's going to reboot the project. It'll say Finished, and then it will load the demo project onto the HMI. Well, that's all that we'll be covering today. And if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it on YouTube and subscribe to the Maple Systems YouTube page. To get more information on the HMI cMT line, you can always visit the Maple Systems website or reach out to our sales team, sales@maplesystems.com. Also, be sure to watch the EBPro video training series located under the Support tab in the Video Center on the Maple Systems website. Thank you so much for watching, and have a great day.